We have over 200 apprentices currently at Great Ormond Street Hospital. We're really promoting our apprenticeships to entice people that are leaving college, not sure of what their career pathway should be, but equally to promote our staff to learn on the job and further their career and actually progress within Great Ormond Street.
Sometimes I pinch myself and I'm like, oh, this is actually happening to me.
I'm glad I did the apprenticeship because without it, I think I would be lost.
I think an apprenticeship is an excellent way to learn. In a way, it's the best way to learn. It's very hands-on. You can't learn that in a classroom.
So much progress has been made in the last few years in terms of apprenticeships that there are no limits anymore.
I'm Amber James. I am a registered nursing degree apprentice at Great Ormond Street Hospital. Being able to do an apprenticeship at Great Ormond Street meant that I could come into entry-level job, build on my skills and develop further. I didn't think I would come into healthcare and progress as far and as quickly as I have. Every member of staff have encouraged me to grow and take on that extra responsibility and new skills.
My name is Fazin Musa. I'm doing a Band 2 Healthcare Support Worker apprenticeship at Gosh. I've only been here like 7-8 months and I already feel so confident with what I do. But in terms of growing my career, I think it's going to push me even more. Definitely doing a nursing apprenticeship next. I know that for a fact.
Our apprentices at Gosh are absolutely invaluable to our organisation. They work exceptionally hard in their day-to-day roles whilst fulfilling academic courses alongside, and we couldn't be any prouder of the work that they do for us.
We've had so much positive feedback from children, from the families, and that's really what shows them that they're doing an absolutely brilliant job.
So when this opportunity came up for the nursing degree apprenticeship, it just seemed like the perfect fit. I love being able to make a tangible difference in people's lives, from the minutiae of changing someone's sheets, making them feel so much better in that moment, to cheering someone up when they've had a bad day. It kind of gives you a bit of a warm, glowy feeling. I think one of the most important qualities was compassion. I had the privilege to care for a child at the end of his life. All the teams coordinated to give this child really quite a peaceful and comfortable and, by all impressions, pain-free end. For the parents, obviously, and his family, it was probably the most awful time in their life, but they actually came back to the ward a few months later to see everyone, and they thanked everyone for looking after them in such a harrowing time, and that really showed me that we're really making a difference to people's lives.
I would recommend it to everybody, and I do.